time for the receiver to confirm the receipt of the shipment. The same thing, they don't need to specify the address, just put the ID you want to of the shipment you want to confirm receiving. So once you put the ID, then we just update it and allow the logistic provider to get their money. So let's jump right straight into it. So where are we completing the shipment? So this is the model we are using to complete the shipment. We just same pattern, get our context, get the context, complete shipment. So major stuff we need to do here too is to interact with the smart contract. To the smart contract, which is goes to the use supply chain. Use supply chain. I think we also want to remove the receiver. So remove it. You want to remove the receiver. Let's comment out this. Right, so good to go. So all we just need to do is just set this as async, since we are going to be using await. So the first thing you want to do again is to check if you have a contract. Otherwise, if there's no contract, just let the user know something is wrong. Now, we also, to avoid manipulation, you want to set the day that the user actually received the parcel to be the current date, because they should be able to set the dates by themselves, but let's just make it to be the current date, because they might just do it instantly once the logistics provider give them the parcel, just to allow them receive their money. So before they deliver the parcel, this is the parcel I've given to you. Can you please confirm receiving it now, so that get the money immediately? And I think that's a fair deal. So just want to extract the date format from this current date that the receiver said they received the parcel. It's only the receiver that can do that. So once we get that, we can then use the try catch again. Same pattern works for everything. So get the transaction equals to our weight. Contract now, we want to interact with the contract. So what is function we want to call? We want to call this confirm delivery. And we are going to be passing the delivery date and the shipment ID. So we are calling this. So don't forget, you can always put them accordingly as they are arranged. The first one is the shipment ID. And also the second one is this formatted date, where you are able to extract the year, the months, and also the dates. So the formatted dates, so it should be accordingly. Don't put the formatted date first, it should be according to how you have it arranged here. Shipment ID, then the delivery date. And do that, you should be good. So you also wait for the block to be mined. That means to be added to the blockchain. Then you can then reload, because it happened very fast. Then you alert shipments with ID. Just do this now. Shipments details.index, the ID of that particular index has been delivered and payments sent. Right. So the reason we need to reload is because we want the user to see the effects. Like when you check the table, you want to see it immediately. So in case there's an error, let's display the error. Let's tell where the error is coming from. Conf delivery confirmation error. And then we display the error. Then we alert the user to let them know failed to confirm delivery. Failed to confirm delivery. Then since we are reloading, of course, this will happen by default. Alright, I think that should be all for this. Let's just save. We've actually done the hard work when we are designing the front end. So if you want to, let me switch to the receiver now. Let me try to do it without the receiver. You see that it will be, let's say the logistics provider wants to say, okay, I'll confirm it myself if you are not confirming so that I can get my money, but it doesn't work that way. You can see, failed to confirm delivery. You can't do that. Sorry, logistics provider. So I need to switch to the actual receiver, which is 05EE. So just switch 05EE. This is it. Connect it. Close it or refresh to be sure I've connected. Be sure I'm connected. Yeah, 05EE. So I'll just go ahead. You can see 05EE. So I'll just say I want to confirm the first one. Yes, you can see now it's bringing up the marks. So confirm. Yes. The logistics provider should get 3 hits. You can see I have the delivery time with this. Then I have the status to be delivered by the page. Is there something wrong with the page? Let's just do our own things here. That's shipment. So instead of using page, let's just use the delivery date. If there's a delivery date, it means because if you see it now, you see that it has been transferred to the logistics provider. So there's no reason why it should be delaying the update. So you can see. So now let's do the last one again. Shipment ID, confirm, see the same receiver. Just confirm the logistics provider will receive 5 hits. Yeah, confirm. So reload, you can see delivery dates and also has been delivered. So if you check, the provider has gotten their money and the sellers paid with the money.